Well, thank you very much, fans. This is part 2. So this is part 2 of the video. This is part 2. Okay, this is part 2 of the Lego thing. So we ended part when I was putting her. Then we put the dog next to the dog. I do not know what the helmet for this guy is yet. For this guy, for this guy. My guess is he does not. Samuel is probably in this. Yeah, Samuel is probably in the second bag. Due to the thing condition. Samuel is in the second bag. I'm not sure. But do us know. Oh no. Samuel is blue. I don't have a helmet. It doesn't. Does it? Does it come with a helmet? I'm not sure it does. I'm not sure if it does. Does it? Really does it? Does it come with a helmet? Because it is, no, it does not. Well, that sucks to him. His helmet broke. I see. Does it come with a helmet? Let me check. It's supposed to be a blue helmet. Blue. Stand up. Sorry, I'm just trying to for a blue helmet. Blue. Alright, if I find his helmet, he's gonna wear his hat for now. Oh, here we go. My hand. Yeah, that's my bad. Is his helmet for what? No. Is his helmet for what? No. Looks like no, his helmet is not. Here. Over here. There his helmet. There we go. So now we're gonna put his helmet on. Now he's gonna be on the skateboard. Okay, he's gonna have an ice cream in his hand. You're gonna put the ice cream cone, the first ice cream cone in his hand. But you're gonna have to take it apart when you get ice cream. But he's gonna, let's just say he ordered a vanilla right now. Okay. Vanilla ice cream with in a cone, and he's gonna ride a skateboard. That's a bad idea. Do not ever ride a skateboard. Wow, having ice cream in your hand, it's a bad idea. He does have a hair. He also has a hair. Let's put it next to himself. While he's playing skateboard, and put the dog right here, and with the goal. So that took a while to find that helmet. All right, now let's move on to the second of what actually step number 1. So we start with this piece. So we're gonna just go with this guy. Put this guy here, and look at that there. That. Then we go around here. We're gonna go here, put one guy here, one red one here. Then we'll go around here to put this blue one right here. Come. Then we'll go around here, put the big middle one, big middle blue one, then back here to put the red one, and then right in the middle. Then we're gonna put these two pieces right here. That. And put another one, the last one over here. And then, and what goes right here? That's a good question. What does go right there? I don't know. Then, we're gonna put, I take this guy right here, this guy, and flip it over. I'll put these two pieces underneath it like that. Like that. Oh, like this and this. Okay. Then we're going to put a red piece like this piece. Yeah, this piece right here. Then we're gonna put that right here. Right. So right. That's right. So that piece goes there. Oh, okay. I get it. So that. Yeah. No, it goes underneath. Is it? No, it goes on there. Because the next piece goes on top. Okay, sorry, forgot. But next piece just goes right to there. So same side, okay? The next piece. So the next piece is we're gonna move it over to this guy. And we'll put this guy. Oh no, first move it to where's that guy? This guy. So we're gonna put number 8. Now it's time for the sticker. First sticker. Okay, guys, can you help me find number 8? Guys, can you find number 8? Yeah, so here. So we but they're the same ones. So we put the top one or bottom? Top one, yes. They're the same sticker, so we're gonna put it on the same front back. So I'm gonna put the top one. They're the same stickers, okay? They're the same stickers, but we're gonna put them again that way. And we're gonna put this guy here, okay? Like that. Perfect. Now we're gonna put this guy right here. So we're gonna put this guy right here. Okay. And then this guy right here is gonna go up here. So we're gonna go like that. Okay. Then we are going to put these guys next. These guys here. Then we're gonna put this gray guy right here. And the second one. Yeah, but I put so that's okay. And then we're gonna put then we're gonna put these guys right here. Yeah, right. Wait, hold on. So it's no, we got this wrong. We got this wrong. This guy's supposed to go up a little bit more. Sorry, we actually got that wrong. See, when this guy is supposed to go the same size. Okay, I'm gonna put this head back on there. And now, okay, so we got it wrong. Then we're gonna put these two people right here and here. And then we put this guy right here. Okay. Then we put take the over here to the yellow one, the first one yellow one. And we'll put it right here. That's right. Alright. Then we are gonna go here put two of these. Two of them right here. So we'll put them right here. Right there. So put them right here. Like that. Okay. Then we'll put go over here. And put one right here. So we'll put ooh. I see what they did. That's okay. Then we're gonna go here to these guys, but we're gonna put stickers. Oh, what's 7? Guys, can you find 7? Oh, yes. Seven is here, so we're gonna put do the best on there. So on the rest, so we're gonna put the bottom and then the top. Okay, we're gonna have 2 of them, so we're gonna do both of them now. Okay. Only the best. Okay. Put it on the side and the same thing for the other one. Other 7 7 ones are done. Now we'll put it back on that side. keep messing it up. I keep messing it up. So there. Come. Hi. Then we'll put two more of that back here, so like that, and that guy there. And then we're gonna do next step. Then we're gonna put these guys back on there. These guys here, these guys two there. Um, then then we put two more back right here. So we have like two more from there. Okay. So another on this side. Okay. Next step is the green. So greens are gonna be right here in here. So we're gonna put the greens in there. The other green in there as well. And there we go. Then we're gonna put these guys right here. These people right here. That. Okay. Then we're gonna put these guys. So one one's here. Then we have a red one right here. Then no one's one right here. And no red one right here. Okay, we got an extra one, so we'll put the extra ones right here. We're going to put a U right here. Okay. And then we'll put no this guy right here, so right here. Now, okay. Oh, first before we do that, we're going to put U right here, and then put one of these guys right on this side. So we'll put this side on this over here. Okay. And put U here. Then I'll put U on this side. Okay. And we're gonna put then we're gonna put U2 on this side. Okay. Then we're also gonna put U2 right here. Okay. Then we're gonna put this white one right back here, right back here, like that. Yep. No, but 40. So one there, one here, and one here, and one here. Okay. Then we're gonna put two more of those. So right here, and right here. Okay. Then we're gonna put the two of these. Okay, so we'll put one right here and the other one right over here. So we'll put those like that. I'll put this this plume right here. I think this guy's cool as well. Okay. And then this guy right here. Ooh. That guy. Right here. Okay. And the strawberry one on this side as well. The strawberry one on this side. So you can have strawberry hair. Then the orange is the one right here back there. Okay. Then you have now it's time for this guy. So now we are gonna put this. We're gonna put stickers on there. So we're gonna put number 9. There's only one 9, so okay, I can put 9. Yep, right here. So we'll put that guy here. So only have one of those have a sticker. So gonna go on this guy right here. So we're gonna go right here. Minor child. Only one single guy, so if we mess it up, that's okay. We all mess it up already, but we did not. So we do not want to mess this stick up because this is the only single we got. You do not want to mess this stick up, okay? Okay. Then we'll put the yellow on top of there. So we'll put the yellow there. And we'll put it over here for mind the child. Mind the child. And child's gonna be back. Alright. Next, we're gonna put the other two. So we're gonna get this white one. So we'll put these two. One like here off the edge. And the second one on the one. Oh, no. A little off the edge again. So two off the edge. And this guy here on the edge. Then we're gonna put this guy here. Oh. And then we have another circle, so 6. So we have one right here, so we have no one right here, so here. There. Stay cool. And we'll put this guy right here on the outside, so we'll put that guy right there. That. Then where do we put this guy? Then we put this guy. This. That. Then we put this guy right here. Oh, right here then. Okay, then we put this guy. So with the second, no, we put number 5. Choose the second one. We'll put number 5 on there. So we have 2 of those, but 5 there. So then we'll put that guy there. Then we're going to put that right here. That, so it'll open like that. So if you want to work it there or that, when it stops, it's going to go there. Okay? Oh, no, this is one way. This is one way. This side is supposed to go on this side. So this side, this is white. But this guy's supposed to go on this side. So this guy's supposed to go here. So this guy's supposed to go there. So then we're going to put that. No, wait, that's wrong. Then we're also going to put this guy here. Put this guy here. Yes. Did it again. Did that again. So then we'll put this guy here. So this guy here. Come. Like that. We'll put you right here. Come. Then we're gonna put first we're gonna put you right here. Then we're gonna put the last one right here. Come. And then we're gonna put the castrator right here. Come. Then the $1 bill is gonna go right here. Come. Then the second one's gonna go on the side. Then you're gonna have this guy, and this guy's gonna go right here. So 2 of that. So that guy there, and this guy there. This guy needs to stay up there. So this guy needs to stay up there. Oh, this guy needs to stay up there. Move back. Okay, then this guy's gonna go right here. So put this guy here. Ooh, that guy's not staying up there. Then the second side is not considered, okay? Come on, say, stay. Okay? I'll play you almost in book number 2. Then we're gonna put you right here. Okay? Now book number 2. Let's get book number 2. So book number 2 is we're gonna put ooh, you fell off. You fell off. You can't fall off now. There we go. Number 2. We're gonna put we're gonna take these guys. We're gonna do is we're gonna open bag number 2 now. Open bag number 2 and see whatever things we have bag number 2, okay? New things in bag number 2 now, okay? Any new things in bag number 2? Everything working in bag number 1? No. This guy's new. So comment over if you think this guy's cool. And I think that's it. Oh, comment over if you think this guy's cool as well. So first thing we do is we put this guy here. Then we put this side over here. Then we will put the second, so we get the stickers back out. Get the stickers back out. And put this over here. Right there. Then we're gonna put that guy on this side as well. Then we're gonna put you. Come on over to this guy's score. You right here. Okay. Then we're gonna put this guy right here. Okay. And this time we're not gonna put these in the career belt. Whoa. Let's put them wherever we want. Then we're gonna put you right here. Then we're gonna put do that again. Once more. Do that again. I'll put you there again. Because then we're gonna put the second ice cream cone flavors here again. Put that there. Put that there for now. Then we're going to put you here. Then we're gonna put we're supposed to put one here. Yeah, okay. There we go. Forgot about that. Then we are going to put take you on this side. We're gonna put you here. There. And then I'll put you two in the back. Oh no. We got that wrong. Put this guy's right there. Okay. Put that guy there. Put you here. Put you here.